Oh, where you watch? Look where you watch. Know where you watch. Choose the right thing to watch. And this enough to watch. Sticky Stucky Sweet TV with Keith Gorgon, Facebook and YouTube. And that enough to watch. The movie star fly take off from Palpatine TV said that. Boom!
A big sound, a play a big tune.
Ja holy Emmanuel I boy. Ja Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. Well, Gideon go busting out them head again. So much oppression poor people face right now. Them crying out for freedom. Them crying out for free speech. Then said them want to stand up like them black liberators, like Malcolm X and Martin Luther and the ancient monarchy where come pave the way, sir. Free up black people from me tear down them fence, yeah. Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon, well, the Gideon go busting out them head. I listen, I see, I the power of the Trinity. Give us the teaching of His Majesty, and we know war, not every...
Blow, Mr. Gorgon, blow. Blow till me dance up me toe.
This is Sticky Stucky Sweet TV with Keith Gorgon. Good, healthy food with the X Factor. So give it a like, share, subscribe, and touch up that notification bell. And that is it. Look at that.
No what I do, man, try to say, I go help him, you know. Give him $3,000 more upon him pay a weekend if he tap it up. And him still gonna truck stop.
No, Misha, me's a mother to you, man. Just be level with me.
Since an idea, right? Mm-hmm. Me have $700 me go past hospital and me do a little preaching.
How you do the 700?
Me buy the food and me share for me and Karen. Cause me not man not left her out. True, me remember kindness.
Kindness.
Deliver me from my enemy, my God. Set me an eye from those who rise up against me. Deliver me from the workers of iniquity. Save me from the bloodthirsty men, for behold, they lie and wait for my soul. The mighty gather themselves together against me, not for my disobedience, not for my sin, Lord. I have done no wrong, yet they are ready to attack me. Rise up, behold, and help me. You, Lord God of former, the God of Israel, rose yourself to punish the nation. Show no mercy to the wicked, traitorous Selah. They return at evening, howling like dogs, and prowl around the city. Behold, they spat with their mouths, soda in their lips, for they say, Who art us? But you, Lord, laugh at them, you scruff of all the nation. O my strength, I wish for you, for God is my high tower. My God will go before me with his loving kindness. God will let me look at my enemy in triumph. Right there, sir. Don't kill them, or my people may forget. Scatter them by their power, and bring them down, Lord, our shield. For the sin of their mouth and the words of their lips, let there be catch in their pride, for the curses and lie which they utter. Consume them in wrath, consume them, and they will be no more. Let them know that God rules in Jacob to the ends of the earth. Selah. At evening let them return, let them howl like a dog and go around the city. They shall wander up and down for food and wait all night if they ain't satisfied. But I will sing of your strength, yes, I will sing aloud of your loving kindness in the morning. For you have been my high tower, a refuge in the day of my distress. To you, my strength, I will sing praises, for God is my high tower, the God of my mercy. Up and running, up and gunning, Sticky Stucky Sweet TV, Keith Gorgon, cassava, man over matter, up and running. Here comes again, Shawn and Karen, or Karen, Pinky and Perky. Anyway, what go on now? Shawn, no matter how Miss Ellis talk to this brother, yeah. Him still, something, I don't know what go on. You know. Him end up now at truck stop. This guy claims he's a preacher. I got him a serve. And him look like him in vehicle with him wife. Or woman, because I don't know for him wife or him woman, because sell her front, and him down there at truck stop. So Miss Ellis I try to tell him, say, and him not real, and the thing is this, you know, with Miss Ellis I try to tell him, say, look, man when man come and see him, because we at the truck stop, you know, woman sell them front, man sell them ass. I saw them places stay. So it's not just woman and man, you know. And him are the real candidate for that, you know. Because him soft, him fool, he made no good, and him love money, and likes and licky. And any man will trick him in that. And believe you me, they will bow and bow out, me I tell you. So I mean that him that the wrong place as a man what him a walk with Bible and a church. But I mean I know, you know. And him a Paul, and then him so lie. One thing him a cuss out Karen say, well, then he want something to eat. Because him lend her $500. And then Mr. asks him, so what that have to do? When I do a truck stop, and him a talk about that parlor, make you go down there and things like that. The guy is so too mouthed and ratty and lily. You can't understand him. Him just lie. And you look on him personally when him a talk and things like that, or him a move him head and him finger them. Something alright with this brother, yeah. And Miss Ellis have to be careful because people like these people, you know, they will go on and go on and go on till, because it's happening all the while, because me not understand. When I leave work, no matter the man try to say she go help him, you know. Give him $3,000 more upon him pay a weekend if he tap it up, and him still gonna truck stop. Why we are telling you? So he might get himself easy involved. Because man I go take him around me sell his state and not joke thing. Because the more things I work, he might work too. And him a one of the man who easy well because he love likes, love money. Him go in body, feel little or nothing, just like him wife. And that go on. And me no know, him supposed to really them get so much chance, you know. And then I take it, you know, and I'm still a waste of life. She that truck stop, I sell herself, little and nothing. Big man Paul, they behind her like a pimp. I don't know when I get out of it. He might get a food and then him get some pumps from her because him really a ride a pum there, you know. Poor Shawn get nothing. Sometimes Sunday day. He might get something where these people life really sad, you know. I mean, I don't know. It's a sad situation. All three of them, because them can't get hurt, and them not really realize, because Paul go like my bad man, I mean, I know shot him can take two lick from a young boy or something like that. And I like say, well, then him a stepper. You know, matter the whole listen, but I like say a bad man where, you know, him have him gun pan him, man. You know, because age, you know, mean nothing, you know, age a number. But him, you know, he just him out time weapon. So you up now. It's bad for all of them people because you up now. Karen can get take one missing. She a play a dangerous game. Once I missing, when I say missing, I mean missing for good, missing forever. I want to know what I talk about, you know. I don't really want to talk things with, but you know, about that is the facts. Because look much people get take away and she put herself in the lion den or the lion mouth. And she get warning. Miss Ellis I try help her, carry her around with her and blah blah. She can't look on that and blah blah. No, that is not enough for her. So she go down a slippery road. And Shawn can't help it. He must watch her, and no matter our next man, well, Paul, him a get the pum, and him still, well, I tell you, these people, I don't know, they don't learn, and them not help themselves, and I don't know where go on. Them not helping themselves, people. That's a sad situation. And we look on them things, there is like you call it jamoristic. Not humoristic, you know, this is jamoristic. Because humoristic to me, humoristic to me. Because my name this, you know, equivalent of AKA humor. But so humoristic to me is something where you can't really have a laugh. But this, you can laugh, but then again you laugh, but one serious thing, we can't happen to these people. Because a dangerous game I'm play down there, so. You know what I mean? Anything can happen to any one of them. And so it's a very sticky situation, people. Yeah, man. That genuine of this, but it's good for really show it. Me gotta show them things that people, show them things that still make people can see what's really going on the ground. How people really survive and how people are put them life at risk. And how somebody can say him a preacher word of God, him as a pastor, and yet him involved and him a poll with him woman because sell her front and things like that. And yo, me I tell you, brother, I want serious thing. Anyway, when I go keep on boom boom and going on, because we just want to show the story. Who no see it, can see it. Here goes. Boom.
Look there. Hey! Is that Grant? Tell the people then what you do at truck stop.
Oh, come beg liquor food there, people.
Why you have to come at truck stop come beg food? Shawn that truck stop to people. What you do at truck stop, Tan? Seriously. What you do at truck
Karen,
stop?
nah give me no food. Nah give me no food to eat and nothing at all. Me.
So why you have to come at truck stop? Why you have to come at truck stop to get the food from
Karen?
Karen?
My face and cuss about dirty bad word.
So we're Karen now. So
I'm going to do business with man and woman.
So what another truck stop with from Karen for?
Why?
You work today, Shawn?
Yeah, I work. Me I come from.
Mr. Grant, come here, man.
I might encourage her to come out the road and
So what Shawn, I watch Karen, huh? So then Shawn, I don't want to see a truck stop. He's a pastor.
But me hungry.
Mr. Grant, I don't want to see a truck stop.
We just come in here today.
Oh, you mean where Karen there?
She soon come.
You know, say you're Gina door, Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, you have a tappy, Mr. Grant.
She soon.
Mr. Grant, you have a tappy. You know, say you have a Karen's mother. You have a tappy, Mr. Grant.
I know me.
You have a tappy.
I know me.
So wait till you do a truck stop?
No, to me hungry, me come to beg liquor food.
Beg, who you beg food? Talk where my daughter. Talk where my daughter, Mr. Grant. Where Shawn do a truck stop?
Me come check Karen for liquor food, right?
So which Karen don't have food at truck stop?
She borrow me 500 last night. And she not come to me and give me 500. She hold on for the money and now want to give me.
Yo.
You understand?
Shawn, where you do a truck stop?
I'm hungry some more. I want liquor food to eat.
Alright, so me give you the money. And me give you the money.
You understand me? Because Karen a put up in dirty bad with them. And me dying for you get a woman for me. Me tell you all well, get a woman because Karen don't treat me good. She a post up a bad one and box me in the face and I go on the mouth with me.
Then Shawn, that's not first you know say Karen don't treat you good. Eh? You say you want the food. One lady, let me take over that talk and put you set you up. You know, come off of the line. You want the food, Shawn, I can buy your food?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
So when I buy your food, you come back home with me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Because I don't know how much as restaurant and see your pass. When Mr. Grant gone?
You see?
Eh?
No, gone, what, gone? No, when gone. Somebody must send him more.
Shawn, you know for that truck stop?
No, to me hungry and Karen, give me no money for say to me, say, Shawn, so and so. Do you go buy your food also?
Oh, Karen that?
Me no know. I must see that. Yeah, man, I see that, man. And me they are hungry and nothing. She not pay me no mind.
Me can't take a problem with Karen now. Me not go wait. See Karen, me can't take a problem with Karen now. Me not go. Me go.
About dirty bad what them man see.
Then what they say now? Yeah. See that. But see Jesus.
See how they.
I see that?
Yeah.
Well, Shawn, my question is, where you do a truck stop?
You come to beg local food because I'm hungry.
So why you have to come out of your food?
Karen go up on the road and tell me nothing say so and so.
How was she gone? Nobody call her. Sister Karen!
Karen! Oh, see her then.
Yeah. Me no want to talk to you, Shawn. Me want to know what Shawn do to you. And why you do it? Why you cut off your hair like that?
She didn't see me ear, Miss Alice.
No, me just see Karen.
No, she say I threw the ear high, that's why she cut it. Because the Janjis are mother. Yeah.
So you not feel your hair too?
Yeah.
So you go to work now?
You work with it?
Oh, I work there? I beg your pardon. Alright, go on to work, Karen. Come, let me tap you from work. I move for you, so you come in a feel. I move for you, so. Come in, I want to stop no trap. I have to go, I have to leave for you, so. Shawn. Yeah? I'm going to move for you, so. Because it's over here, so. Guys, let me move from here, so. I'm not stay here, so. Stop the traffic here, so I'm going to go here. When I change, can I get Shawn in money? Stop. Where's Shawn? Shawn say you want a food. Call Shawn. Shawn! He said, me not talk to you, me not give $1. He said, me not give $1. Me not give $1, man.
Me want a piece of what you give.
Me no want to hear it, Mr. Grant. Me no want to hear it because me disappointed you. Me believe in you. And me say, Mr. Grant, so up in the car, come in the car, me go buy this. Up in the back door, me no want you on the front. Up in the back door. Come on, no, you no one there, a truck stop. Pass a person on the back, give me. Mr. Grant later.
Alright.
Paul, look at one.
Alright.
Shawn.
All the one Paul are fussing about that when they come at truck stop.
What you do a truck stop? What you follow Karen front for? You think so when you come in a truck stop, what up Karen front, you in front?
You just say me a stop her from.
Hey, so what you do? What the purpose of you a truck stop with your wife? That's all I want to know. What the purpose? Just tell me.
Because I'm facing this when me walk come on.
So where you facing it up with Shawn man, come on, Shawn. So if Sharon a cut up her dirty bad with them, why you follow her? You know, add up, it don't make no sense to me. Eh? If Karen cut up her dirty bad with, why are you following her to truck stop?
Because me come to beg her one little change, right?
Why you beg Karen change? You not work. Why you never call me and ask me for the money? Why you didn't call me and ask me for the money, Karen?
No, you tell me sir tomorrow.
Yeah, but you know you could have called me same way. You know you should have called me same way. Yeah, me I pay tomorrow for where you get paid from, but you could have called me same way. So that is no, it's out. Shawn, do not follow Karen to the truck stop. Next thing you end up doing busy out there like Karen.
No, sir.
Do not go out there with Karen.
What you think to me and tell me say, alright, stay a yard and we may come make your food in here. Paul I encourage Karen but I talk about, I tell Karen but enough, you can't no food condition. And Shawn for dead for you. And I tell me about me for us about mother and sitting. Yesterday I'll Karen a cuss about bad what to you, I tell you about, oh yeah, this and oh yeah, why me I tell you?
Shawn, no go back out the truck stop. It don't look good, Shawn. Shawn, you say, Shawn, it don't look good, Shawn. But if our behavior that we said at the time, you know if you go out there, I tell you if you run from it.
I'm hungry and she come to me and said, where you want me to feel? Nothing at all. She kiss her teeth and all.
And our Karen gone, you know. So you go, you better go sleep on me till you come home. Because nothing with Karen. Shawn, you can't tap Shawn for you way pokey.
No, me
Karen never always go way pokey, you're not going to tap her. So stay in your bed and keep your little self quiet. Because you're going to truck stop now, tap her.
Tell me, say, alright. D, stay where you want me to feel? So I said, you want you wash your babe and kiss her, do to keep on the girl.
Make the girl do what she want. And that she want to do, nobody can stop her. Me can't stop her, you can't stop her. Yeah, so you have to just leave her to time.
Because she don't put some bad one and talk about. She don't want to work with you, she prefer to.
If Karen don't want to work with me, that's fine. I leave her alone.
If you want.
You know, so me not follow back a Karen again.
Alright.
Me not follow back a Karen. And you may try see me can make you get hold on for the work.
Alright. You see there, I work me I come from. I work Tuesday. I work Wednesday. I work Thursday. That are yesterday. Today Friday, 5 days that.
And tomorrow, no 5 days. Tomorrow 5 days.
Yeah, 4 days.
Tomorrow me I give you the extra money.
Right. And then tomorrow Saturday now I make 5 days. You understand me I say?
Don't follow back a Karen, Shawn.
But you know, come to me and tell me.
Do not follow back a Karen.
Stay yard and make you some fungi feed.
Because when you watch Karen poke and something, Karen out still get away.
Yeah, me understand.
You understand, Shawn? This Shawn, you know to be a mother to you.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I tell you, don't know when you go so.
No.
Even when you watch him poke, when he come to do business, Karen I go gone like you say away. So Laura make she do what she do. Cause you been there now go stop nothing.
No, me not go stop it. For a long time she do that for Charlie girl.
So let me tap you sir and come on for it. May I give you $1,000 out of your money. Go and go buy the food and do not go back out at truck stop.
I'll go back out.
go back. Go to your bed and go sleep and rest your body to go to work. Come out of the car, make it people and say you're getting money. Come out of the car, Sean.
Hey, oh, Shawn and Karen.
Shawn and Karen, no matter call Shawn and Karen name, because Shawn and Karen ain't foolish with you.
What kind of foolishness?
I mean, you
like cussing.
Let me get people see you.
Turn on the light, no?
Come, see the $1,000 here?
Yeah.
Make people then see you. Tell the people then where you have to see the tell them, me go on.
Yeah, thank you. Jenko people.
So you get $1,000 out of your money for tomorrow?
Yeah, we fit tomorrow. Yeah,
so you buy the food now?
Yeah, man, I buy food.
Sean, no go back out of truck stop.
Me not go there. I encourage me if you come out there, but when you hustle, me if you come, get her food and because she not carry her food with me. Because she not, me not pay her. All you tired and say.
Hold on, me call. Hold on. Hold on, me make a somebody when I call me. Oh, so remember say me have
yeah.
Oh, me have $700 for you. Remember that? So that me have $700 for you.
Yeah.
Me want me to give you $5,000?
Yeah, man.
So you have $300 for me now. So take it 700. So you know include my 3,000 me I get tomorrow. That you take it $700 out of that when me the have for you.
Yeah.
So you're sign for that then. Me get a receipt book. So
yeah.
you sign for the $1,000 me give you a while ago.
Okay then.
And tomorrow me give you 3,000 more.
Yeah.
When me the promise to give you if you work.
Yeah man.
So this is 700.
I 4 days me go work.
And tomorrow make 5.
Go Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday, Thursday, today.
Alright, so sign for that $1,000 a year.
Alright.
So you owe me now.
I love work. And it works sweet me too.
Yeah man, me want it sweet you.
Yeah
man, me want it work sweet you.
Yeah.
So this is Shawn.
Everybody will just see working and Papa. The Bible tells us a sin to feed a lazy man.
1,000. So me show the people them say a $1,000 you sign for.
Yeah.
$1,000 and a 1,000 I make you. Me feed in here some information them. So sign on here right here so. Put yes. Sign your name right there. If you account for all of the money will come out, you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Upon the line, that's every shirt anymore, right? Just upon the line here.
Next slide. Alright, me go right, me go put this the last name down at the bottom then. Alright, hold on then.
Yeah, upon the line so yeah, this is every sign it.
Alright.
Alright, you can put Salaman there so.
Yeah. Me know if you write my name good, no problem. Thank you. Shawn Salaman.
Shawn Salaman, yeah.
Yes.
And Shawn, me a big good. Go buy the food and go back out.
Yeah, what time?
Shawn, the people they love you if you behave yourself and work, you know, Shawn.
Me behave myself, but
work, man, work, Shawn, work.
But
Shawn,
no,
top follow Karen, because Karen will still do the pokey.
Yeah, me know
and
that everybody are going to
and it's when he see you, that time I'll give you the pokey more. You see when he not see you, he ease up on the pokey a little bit.
Oh.
But when you come and follow him, he more proof to you saying he can give you the pokey. So not go to truck stop, may I beg you.
Oh, no, me must have to go there now. I don't know me hungry, but I mean,
but Shawn,
feel like me go drop
Shawn,
I feel like me drop down.
So you know eating for morning?
Me eat.
So you feel like you're drop down, how you get the energy for walk out to truck stop? Be fair with me now, Shawn. Don't lie to me now. Me's a mother to you. No, Shawn, me's a mother to you, man. Just be level with me.
Since in idea, right? Me have $700 when me go to the hospital and me do a little preaching.
How you do the 700?
Me buy the food and me share for me and Karen. Because me that man, me not left her out. True, me remember our kindness.
Our kindness,
you understand? But because of damn fierceness, me just can't take it no more. So go to a truck stop in the night. Come to me and say, D, where you want to eat? Where you want to eat, right? She cuss about dirty bad word and tell me what's up, my mother. You understand me? I say, yeah, and go on bad with me the most way. And so that me don't like.
So you should do that to your wife. So if you do that to your wife, why you go to truck stop?
One little question. If you keep the phone and listen up the call, she not come to me and say, yes, babes, keep the phone on. You understand? Listen for where your wife are calling. She not tell me that. She kiss her teeth and give me attitude. So that make me feel upset now. Me feel upset and get in the run. So I beg, me go to out then I beg, me not beg little food, you know.
So what,
then, when me beg
then Sean, why
food,
you go so far go beg food? Upon the mountain restaurant or something you could have beg food?
Yeah, then me beg them the Sunday no bad not pay me no mind.
So you know no money at all. Why you never ask Shami if you get $1,000 out of your money if you pay? Me sure Shami that give you. If you really say food you want to buy, Sean. So you going to the Sean shop, Karen now give you food? Out of the truck stop?
And that with her, I saw she stay. I saw she stay a little while.
Karen, no, load the truck stop, son. And you're a pastor man. You're a preacher man.
Yeah, me
and you see when the people and
don't like entreat me.
Yeah, me understand. But guess what? You see when you're preaching out on the road and the people then see a truck stop,
yeah.
Nobody not gonna listen to you and get no money. Because then say the one thing say you are sell a truck stop too.
No, me not sell out a truck stop.
But then you not go there then, Sean.
You understand? Paul and Alice I tell her things, but you know if you can't food go and come get Sean. So when me do stay on the yard and dead for them full for them belly already now. Them name food already and now food for them belly now. And me that yard that dead for
so what to the grocery and the grocery no that yard?
Wicked man, I say wicked.
So no food no that yard?
No bread in the up there.
So it's sardine done?
Sardine them also is supposed to done, yeah man, because she cooked yesterday. Me thank God for what she do yesterday. What she do yesterday, she must do it. She cooked local food yesterday also. But there are some macaroni there now. We cook out already. That the sour they expire. That will run my belly. I don't want to go near me and then when tomorrow I figure out work, you're going to have me running belly. You understand? Yeah.
Let me think whether you say you're alright now because you're back. You release the high like you're back. Me think everything alright.
I just only on Sunday. Me will get my little thing.
Oh, the pan Sunday?
Yes, on
Then Sunday not soon come, you not soon get more? So wait.
Yeah,
and one more day before Sunday coming up?
Yeah, one more day, like tomorrow, Saturday.
Hey, so just prepare yourself so you can, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, man, prepare. Guess what? If you go to truck stop and tell yourself when Sunday come, Karen out change in mind and you now can do what you're supposed to do. You're tired quick. So you just relax yourself. It's like when you're done working now, go home and sleep. That's when Sunday come. You can last out for the whole day and you and Karen have fun. Yeah, but if you go to truck stop, you get too tired and you now can't perform when Sunday come.
You understand me?
So get some rest home. Yeah, so and wait for Sunday to come.
I go over sleep and buy the food. Oh, you know Indian? Up by Shako, the native.
Me don't know nobody.
Oh. Indian will sell right.
Me don't know nobody. Me don't know nobody.
Okay, alright.
I want
let's support to go walk. When me not no money, she give me a little food.
Then why you never go to her today?
I go there right.
So we never stop there before you go to truck stop, Sean?
No, what happened, you see? Me not help one lady with one bag of coal and a elder lady. So to me feel say for the lady. They me help the lady carry the bag and me name bother beg.
Alright, listen to me now, Sean. Yeah. Me must say me is like a mother to you.
Yes, ma'am, me know.
You see, if you go to truck stop tomorrow, Karen and you're not Sunday. No, me no. Hey, I saw my husband do it for me. You see me go to, you see my husband, you see me go to and work out today, me nah get nothing Sunday. We just wait till him come home and go home and sleep. And when Sunday come, everything alright with me. So try the same thing too. No go out there today. No go out there back. No go out there tomorrow neither though. Just wait till they come, lotion up yourself nice, and lay down on bed, and you see how she Karen give you everything Sunday.
Yeah, I that she know me.
Yeah man, just wait till Sunday come. But if you know, if you go to truck stop tomorrow now, all of the plans that they're gonna mash up.
I'm gonna mash
Sunday.
Up, yes.
So no go out there.
No go out there. Watch out. You see out the may say out there bad. And buckle can fling and me get a lick in my face.
And you a pastor man. And you must say how a pastor man I get buckle lick in the head.
Get a buckle lick.
Yeah man.
Understand?
No go out there.
Yeah, me not go back out there.
Because guess what? You see if you go out there, man we hold you and put it in the car and think I work you know.
Yeah.
Then do that to a man already you know.
Yeah.
See the man out there and think I work, man I work, I tell the man I tell. And hold the man and put it in the car and deal with the man in the car. Because then think I work, man I work.
Oh, like him I sell food and something. Oh.
What can I sell food? Then think I work, man I work. You don't know when man work. Yeah. Just like when man go the other way and something. So them see you out there, them one thing say, you are work too.
Oh, no sir, me ain't that.
Yeah, that's why you can't go out there. Because they make take you put in the car and think I work, you work.
Work. Yes,
and then just grab you put in there quick.
Quick, yeah man.
Yeah, so no go out there back.
Yeah, me not go back out there still.
Yeah, no go out there back. If you go out there back again, I'll grab you put in the car.
Yeah. Then Karen never tell me that.
Karen not go tell you?
Karen, Because I'm facing this and she never want
But
come.
remember say me's a mother. Sean, me's a mother to you.
Yes, man. Me
So you know say me not tell you nothing when I go so.
No.
If you go back out a truck stop
Me
and the man then where come where deal with man
Yeah.
and then see out a truck stop,
It will
then
cause a problem.
they so grab you and put in a car and carry you away.
Go and carry
Because they
away.
think say work can't work.
And then, well, I know, you see the next thing too. Me, alright, Karen out there at night. She name woman, you know. I hit my back, Paul, I tell me, say, put razor your throat. Your name man, put razor your throat. You understand?
No go
she
there
name
back.
woman. So me say, Paul, no sir. No sir, no using word. Man and woman hungry. And me not crave, me crave. Me have a time, me can out there, me black out and me hungry, me want little food to eat. You understand what me say? You have a time, Karen also give me attitude. You say, if you beg her something, now look for me and give me none feet. People who out the road after
That's Sean. Remember say me's a mother to you know. So that's why me tell you say when you work, it's when you work and you have your money, Sean Karen will friend you up. You don't know when you have money, Karen friend you up.
Yeah, long time.
And Karen stay home. It's when you get paid up there, just pay around the money in your hand. Make you see the money in your hand. And tell him to lay down on the bed first. And take off his clothes. And if you not take it off, you not give him a dollar out there. And he go do it. Because she go want the money.
Yeah.
So not give him a dollar unless he lay down on the bed.
Yeah, me understand.
And give the wife duties.
Yeah, the wife duties. Yeah.
Yes. But you have to make him see money in your hand. And make him say you have enough money to and tempt him with it. And have the money you can giggle your teeth too.
When me say, me, from last night, from yesterday, me feel something come to my mind.
What come to your
Me
mind?
chuck your pass, yeah.
I make it chuck pass.
When me say, me don't like to come with your evening time. Work with you?
Yeah.
Yes. That means say, make anybody want come style, them can't style me so easy. Say me a Salamite or me a lesbian. Them can't judge
No,
me.
yeah, you couldn't be lesbian because you're not a woman.
Because
A woman a lesbian, Sean.
Understand what me I say?
Me understand what you say, but you're not lesbian.
Me not lesbian.
Woman a lesbian, not man.
Exactly.
Yeah, a
So,
woman.
Me I want trace one.
That's why you're not. That's because them see a truck stop, so them think say you are that the man there.
No, and I said them to me a truck stop. Them a go tell me say my wife a mad woman me married to, and she not more sense than the next man a batty man, Satan a batty man.
That's why you're not.
And me a handicap because me
Sean,
mentally.
that's why you must not go out to truck stop.
Yeah, that me.
Truck stop is not for you. You're a pastor man. You're a preacher man.
Yeah, me understand where I say me sell it.
Remember, say me sound like a mother to you, you know.
Yeah, me understand.
So me not go tell you when nothing wanna go so. And me I look out for you.
Yeah, man.
You know me how I look out for you, don't you, Sean?
Yeah, you didn't call me today, though.
No, me didn't call you today. Tomorrow me don't call you. Because me know say tomorrow you get the money.
Yes.
So remember say Sean me say if you come and work early tomorrow. Because tomorrow is Saturday.
When me broke and me not no money, me not no fear figure at school or nothing. Me can't call you then.
You just can't call me. But no call me so often.
No, call so often.
Yeah, but you can't call me.
Me see now. What time? 12 o'clock. 12 to 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Me go about 2 o'clock. Probably when your school over.
But you now call me 2 o'clock the next day again.
Eh?
So you call me every time 2 o'clock? Or only sometime?
Only sometime
Sometime.
at 12,
Alright.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
But if me give the money if you go to school, once you go to work, you get the money too.
Yeah, man, yes, man.
Yeah, man, no problem with
man,
that.
Yes, man.
And once you go to work.
Yeah. You understand me? Give Karen some of the money. Give Karen some of the money and keep back something for me to school in it, man.
Hello, me say any money you give Sharon, make you kneel up on the bed first. You hear me say?
Yeah.
It's like I'm mad at you, me not tell you nothing.
Yeah,
You Karen kneel up on your bed. Me is your husband. The man if you take off his clothes. And said no money now come to you until you do it. And you do what you're supposed to do as a husband.
Yeah.
You understand?
If you tell her wife,
Yes, don't give no money unless you give her wife, she perform her wife duties. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Me come there, you know, but they say, you know, nobody there. Me come there, you day off with them. And they me ask the lady and me collect them. Because me come, but I think it was a day off. Yeah, alright.
But all made up hospital, the people laugh after me and I say, I'm mad woman me there with. Yeah, you understand? I'm mad woman me there with.
Listen to me. Me is like a mother to you.
Yeah, man.
When you get the money tomorrow, you just show off the money, Karen, and make you see say you have the money. So lay down on the bed. You have to lay down because you see money. You understand?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, and you perform your husband duty.
Yes, man.
You hear me?
Yeah, that's
alright.
talk.
When you come a road, we don't have to talk. When you have my yard, don't have to talk a road, right?
Talk, yes.
Alright.
But right now, everybody are here on the left, right?
But then I know we are talking, we not talking something.
Oh.
I just parable
no,
we are
like
talking
now.
now.
No, the truck stop business, you know. And when man go care.
No, man, but then that everybody know about truck stop and know about truck stop. That's a difference in thing.
You know, want me that road and nobody go say, Batty man, Shawn.
That's why we know why you go to truck stop.
Rana Sammy. And when me go to hospital Monday morning, you know, somebody go say, Shawn, how you a preacher? And you weird out at truck stop. Me go tell him say, I'm my wife, me go to. And me hungry bad and me never have no money. And my wife, I give me.
Alright, so when you're hungry, at night time, you call me.
Call you.
Don't go back out the truck stop. Remember say me pass the truck stop every day?
Oh, you out every day?
Every day me pass it. Me work next door to truck stop. You see that building there right side of the truck stop? Alright, then me work too.
Alright, me see there. One little bar like over them to that side.
Yes, to that little, you're right.
And they say you work?
At this me work.
Oh, well,
so once me I come out,
in
a even after 2 work me do. So after me leave you one up there, so me go that there one day. Yes.
Already next time.
Already next time. So you know say if me a pass then me I go soon no? Cause the truck stop me work.
But me never know you just a
yeah, man, me I tell you now. Yeah, man, me I tell you now.
Cause from last night, Karen not about a height for you. And she know want me sell listen to say me I got truck stop.
But alright, then me work so me have this year.
Okay.
All of me work with me time and see Karen.
Well, then people, forgive me still. Understand, forgive me, because I don't know Sasego. I don't know better still, because sometimes Karen encourage me to go out there. And sometimes she give me a little change. She borrow me $500. And she said to me, say, I remember figure tonight, tomorrow night. Understand me? But they look hungry, me go out there and ask her for a little change. She said, well, she'll look at money to buy a trumpet.
What is trumpet?
Trumpet, I don't alright. The one where you push your ears in, see? And do something and say, take a short breath. And this so, that one there for
trumpet?
Trumpet, yeah, where you use a doctor.
Trumpet?
Yes, trumpet where them use it, where doctor use. When you're sick, like you're a sick person, and then do so, you want to do so.
I must have someone they call them set a scout or something like so.
I think something like so. I'll tape people on the phone.
I'm not trumpet in here, man. I'm not trumpet, have other name, I'm not trumpet in here. I'm not trumpet that.
And that the pharmacy lady tell me.
I'm not trumpet.
Why me not know if you tell us?
So what she want that to do? She want to become a doctor?
Yes, if you do nursing. When she graduate nursing, she go left for nursing school and go a heart. That she tell me from night before.
So why she want to trumpet now?
She want to have it ready. So whatever time the nursing and anything can come up, she can have everything ready. Just have everything ready. Just like a man go foreign and you have your suitcase pack up or your passport. You understand? Because right now I look up for my passport book. Put on, you know. That's when I go foreign, I can get that strong work. You understand me? I say, right. And every morning I work, I can maintain a woman. Once she have manners to me. Nancy now give me no attitude. Cause I tell Karen, I say Karen, then I go find a better man like me. What last week I went Monday night. Then Karen and Paul them round this a fight. Karen must say, Paul must tell Karen say you can't married again unless your husband dead, unless you get a divorce paper. It have to go to court and lawyer. And only paper you have to sign. Because me legally married, you know. Me legally married.
Legally married.
Yeah.
Me see paper.
Karen signed one part of the paper.
And you sign one part?
Yes. I'm legally married. So Paul are the giveaway father. So Paul must say to Karen say you cannot marry a next man unless you get a divorce paper. Unless you get a divorce paper. Unless your husband dead. You understand me say, let's God take my life and you know say, make me soul rest in a peace. You understand me say? She start to go and bad and thump back Paul in her face and go on he must wear sucking her mother. So me now go hold on and Karen answer now. And I tell Karen say Karen done, you know, sound good. You can't tell him man The man because the man tell you for the right, you go tell the man about sucking a mother. That's not right. If you say you're your baby father, he might tell you for the right. He's telling them for the right. I see him save you from the girl and for you not go to prison. Because they say there's no way in the country that America, England, there's no way, or Jamaica, there's no way in the country you cannot marry unless you get a divorce, unless you divorce a husband. You understand? So when me try, me tell her the setting, and she no want to hear by me and she no want to hear by Paul. She go on with her attitude and talk, say, me a bad girl and I'm not afraid of no police and you see it. Yeah man, and box all Paul in her face. Paul in a try to stop her if you got a truck stop on night time and she box Paul in her face and tell Paul to go suck him mother. And Paul you know if he thump her name out and I say Paul done. Nobody mind prison. God, if he lick out the teeth, lick out and he dry blood and she get mad and go over station, police are going to say, where are these two people are out here and fight for? What, for what reason? You understand me I say? So she going to say, he going to explain and say to her, say, well, me talk for the right and I tell Karen say she can't marry again and she can't go choke stop and certain things. Me have to take her from danger because see them rob her her phone already and do all manner of all evil things to her. You understand what I say? So she said she a bad woman and she not afraid of nobody, so me just left when it concern me.
So what you going to do? You see,
right now, I can't stop her from go there, go do business. I can't stop her.
So that's why you know. That's why you not make it to go a truck. That's why you not make it to go a truck stop because they not go.
You understand? So as I tell myself, say, along as me live, I'm not gonna go out there. If Karen and Paul want to go out there, film business. God, me can defend Karen when I'm a fighter. Okay, so. It's a chin. And it's a chin, you know, matter I would sell I am the cashier all the while, you know.
So what you going to do now, Shawn? Shawn, don't go back out that truck stop. Me I beg you, Shawn. Do not go back out there. That's all I beg. Don't go back. Come here for go home now. Don't go back out there.
Me not go back out there, man.
So what you going to do now?
I go go buy the food.
So where's your bag? Where's your bag?
No, me left my bag on my phone if you charge.
For your house?
Over my house.
So who have the key to go in?
Me have my key. Karen have a key. And no lock me just buy what there for about $400.
So why you change the old one?
The old one. Karen said she did have one key for the old lock. She said the key lost by an accident. By accident, me don't know how it go. So when me go to school and come from school, me ask her where the key is. She tell me say the key lost for her. She look for you hold down the whole place, she can't find the key all up. So right now one of the old lock now one key there now, one key. One of the key broke by accident. The piece here broke. I look it in at the mercy of God make me use the pliers and do so. And draw me draw out and that's where the piece. So what me I gonna do? Me gonna get a key by out Sendance here. Monday morning. A $400 man charge. So what me I gonna do? I get the $400 and cut a key. And the current one and me keep back one. You understand me? Yeah, simple as that. So me have one and she have one. So every time I lock the gate, she can have a key, pull the gate and go in. When she go in, she lock it back. Click. And lock it back. Simple as that.
So why current you for a year?
Why? She said the
Dangerous.
Yeah. And me never get the cream.
Oh, me forget the cream. Me forget buy the shampoo something for you, know, but
you remember?
Yeah, me remember. But me not buy the car. Me not buy nothing the car now. You may buy if you wash it.
Yeah, cause current too faced here, man. I face with the another, but me now go back with me Celis and I'll probably encourage Karen what the enough to come back with you again.
Oh, Paul?
Yeah.
I saw Paul tell Karen?
Yeah. I mean, if you tell me Celis nothing, because I'm going to tell you, I want to thump me in my mouth. I say me chat too much. I'm going to keep you as a secret.
Remember, Shawn, You know, say Miss Ellis is like a mother to you. Me always good for you.
Yes, because
nobody when nobody say me always have your back.
Well,
so just listen to what me say, Shawn. Keep your work.
Yes.
That is the main important
The
thing.
main thing.
Keep your work, Shawn. It's when you have money, you can't bribe Karen and you can't get anything from Karen once you have money.
Yeah, once you have money, yeah.
I bet you'll see you tomorrow night, Karen how nice to you. Look how tomorrow Karen how nice to you. Because guess what? Why she nice to you tomorrow?
Yeah, well, yesterday she nice to me.
No, but why she nice to you tomorrow, Shawn?
Well, I just such a stay.
Karen, she nice to you because tomorrow pay day.
Yes.
And she knows that you get paid tomorrow.
Yeah, you get paid tomorrow. Cause whether you get paid tomorrow, yes or no, she still sometimes nice to me. The next day, sometimes she vicious.
Yeah, but she nice to you tomorrow because pay day tomorrow.
Well.
When me say don't give her money, what me say if you do when you get the money? What me tell her if you make she do?
Make she lie down on the bed. Sorry.
May I come? Me there nearby, may I come? May I talk to Shawn? I come in. You hear me say, Shawn?
Yeah.
Make him do a lay down on the bed.
Yeah.
And then you do your husband duty.
Do husband duty, yeah. Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah.
Before you give him any money. And he have to do it because he want to go on the money. You hear?
Yeah.
So you just stay home and just wait till Sunday. You say Sunday you're there.
Yeah, man, Sunday.
So every Sunday you're there, Karen, make you feel good.
Yeah, yes.
On Sunday.
Every Sunday, I watch her. Me no sex argument. My sex argument, sex life, come a road.
Right, we don't care that come a road, right. With their yard, stay yard.
If people hear that funny life, them are going to say, what did Nick said, Miss Ellis had too much question about Shawn about chuck stop argument also. And this. Me just try to keep this as a secret.
As a secret. And just me and you alone, we know.
Because me know nigger people, them love criticism, them love judge people. This morning, after me go to the hospital and me do little preaching. What
was the word? What was the word like this morning? What word did you bring across to the people then? What was the word?
As usual, little word. As usual.
So you never have a topic where you preach, man?
Me not reach it.
You not reach it yet?
No, sir.
You just preach?
Yeah, just preach and repentance and...
Okay.
Because me know a porter, I'm a preacher. A porter work him do. Every day it is the same word in preach. And how we God do. And the people them not tired of the one word in people. The people say, no man, I got work for a man. For a man I go preach God work. Me can't judge him.
But Shawn, if you go back at truck stop, nobody not pay. They must stone you. You say we go back at truck stop, anywhere you go preach, you must stone you.
Yeah man, they must stone me, yeah.
May I tell you?
Yeah.
Serious thing, my mother a mother to you.
Yes man, yeah man.
Don't go back out there, Shawn.
Yeah.
Shawn, no go back at truck stop.
Me nah go back out there man. Me I go here with some.
You hear what me say, Shawn?
Yeah, me nah go.
Man I go grab you, put them in a car, think say you do business.
Yeah, me understand still. Me I hear what you say. All you do, you tell Karen nothing, make me come out there. I see.
Me not have to tell Karen if you don't make you come out there, Shawn. Me I tell you if you don't go out there. I say you go walk out there, no. Now walk follow back at Mr. Grant and Karen, because Mr. Grant original.
A big sound, I play a big tune.
Jah holy Emmanuel, I boy. Jah Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. Well, Gideon go busting out them head again. So much oppression, poor people face right now. Them crying out for freedom. Them crying out for free speech. Then said them want to stand up like them black liberators, like Malcolm X and Martin Luther and the ancient monarchy where come pave the way, sir. Free up black people from me tear down them fence, yeah. Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon. The Gideon, I'm a Gideon, well, the Gideon go busting out them head. I listen, I the power of the Trinity. Give us the teaching of His Majesty, and we know what, no devil philosophy. Not until color of a man's skin is of no more significant, well, to the color of his eye. Remember all the war done in 1935.
This is Sticky Stucky Sweet TV with Keith Gorgon. Good, healthy food with the X Factor. So give it a like, share, subscribe, and touch up that notification bell. And that is it. Look at